If a toddler can speak fluent Chinese without learning any grammar, so can you. In the last class, we learned how to ask, Did you sleep well? 你睡得好不好? In this class, we are going to learn how to answer, I slept well. 我睡得好. I'm sure that you have noticed we learned those 4 words yesterday. But that's okay. Let's review them. The first word is 我, means I. Please repeat after me. 我 The second word, 睡, means sleep. Please repeat after me. 睡 The third word doesn't have meanings by itself, but when it's after a verb, it turns the verb into a past tense. It turned into something like slept. So please repeat after me. The last word, 好, means well or good. Please repeat after me. 好 Let's say this sentence. 我睡得好. One more time. 我睡得好. 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 Let's practice what we have learned in the past 3 lessons. Good morning. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Yes, I did. As you have noticed, in Chinese, we don't answer yes, I did. We answer with the verb that was in the question, I slept well. So the conversation sounds like this in Chinese. 早上好. 早上好. 你睡得好不好? 我睡得好. Now please repeat after me. 早上好. 早上好. 你睡得好不好? 我睡得好. One more time. 早上好. 早上好. 你睡得好不好? 我睡得好. A little bit faster. 早上好. 早上好. 你睡得好不好? 我睡得好. One more time. 早上好. 早上好. 你睡得好不好? 我睡得好. Now, let's pretend it's a conversation between a man and a woman. 早上好. 早上好. 你睡得好不好? 我睡得好. Practice makes perfect. Please make sure to practice a few more times after class. In the next lesson, we are going to learn how to say, No, I didn't sleep well in Chinese. Please give me a thumb up and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate your support. See you next time.